we're getting into the dip. Let's start with the men's perspective. Continue with the step backward with the left leg. This time on the count of 6 to 3, you're only taking this one step, ending up standing on the left leg facing the audience. Let's go over this again. And 6, 2, 3, 1 step, rotate to face the audience, keep your weight on your left leg. Lady is getting to your right side, ending up with her left side to you. Now, bend your knee and take a side step to the right, shifting your weight to the right leg. Right knee is bent. It's very important not to lean over the lady. During this entire part, focus on shifting your weight from the left leg to the right leg. Only then tilt your upper body to the right side, but do not lean over the lady. And now the lady's perspective. Preparing for the dip, take 2 steps. Start with the right leg and right tiny step with the left one. Rotate meanwhile to end up with your left side to the man. Then bend your left knee, reaching with the right leg backward. Shift your weight to the right leg. Right knee is bent, left leg is straight. Keep your hips up and forward and tilt your upper body backward, looking at the man. Push off the right leg to get out of the pose. Try to keep your motions continuous and fluent during the pose. Also focus on not leaning on your partner too much. Avoid pulling him with you, rather try to stay within your own balance as much as you can. Let's now count the dip. And 6, 2, 3, 7, 2, 3, and 8, 2, 3 out of the pose.